Hi, my name is Daniel. I am a service technician at Jaguar and Land Rover of Naperville. With the change in temperature comes a change in your vehicle's tire pressure. The cold air of the season can cause the air pressure in your tires to contract, causing a low PSI level for your vehicle's tires. A loss of tire pressure can cause damage to the vehicle's tires. It is also unsafe to drive on, and it can negatively affect your fuel economy. Now, every vehicle does have a sticker on the driver's door jamb that will inform you of the proper PSI level for your vehicle's tires. And we highly recommend getting the vehicle's tire pressure back up in order to counteract the negative symptoms of low tire pressure. Now, if you do need your tire service, you can feel free to come in to our service center where we'll go ahead and service your vehicle's tires. Thank you. Have a great day.